What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And yeah, this is our last video, guys, and I'm so excited because, you guys always want to see some good videos. So this video is going to be about me actually going to the shop and buying some weapons. Mission box number 1. Oh, brother, I need gems. Can I have some Robux, please?
Jake, you made me give all my money to Rick in the last episode?
So brother, what's the only solution?
I guess we're gonna have to show the audience how to get some free Robux, so yeah.
And brother is right, everyone, because this video is gonna be about how to get free Robux. Brother, say it one more time.
Today we are going to be showing you how to get free Robux in Roblox.
Yeah, guys, so I'll see you there in the Roblox page. Alright guys, so now they're at the Roblox page. Are you here, brother?
Yeah.
So basically, this is so easy, guys. All you want to do is, before we actually do all this stuff, you want to click on the blog. And if this page is lagging for you guys, then just restart your PC or your computer, or whatever it is, guys. So what we want to do here is click on your profile, so Jake does tutorials. And see this about section? Type this in. If you don't get it word to word and it all needs to be in capitals, then it's not gonna work. So just look at this, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, Jake click and move and click and mouse. No, not click and mouse, guys, keyboard and mouse, sorry guys. But yeah, what you want to do, guys, is save it. And now guys, what you want to do is go down to your brother, so I'm not Tofu. Are you doing that, brother?
Yeah.
And next what you want to do is click on his profile picture 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And what you want to do, guys, is just wait 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa! It's got an email from Roblox saying that hello there, Jake. We see that you followed the hidden guide to Roblox that the administrator used to get more Robux. Whoa! Since you followed all the steps correctly, we're giving you 150,000 Robux. Whoa! Brother, did this work for you?
Yeah.
Whoa, guys, it's so radical. Well, I'll see you there at Roblox. Alright, guys, so now that I'm on the Roblox page, guys, yeah, my eyes are closed. I'm uncovering the other side of the screen with my hand, so I don't know if this is actually work for me, but let's check. Whoa! 150,000 Robux. Brother, did this work for you?
Yeah.
Whoa, this is so radical. Anyways, guys, I'm probably gonna spend all this on mystery keys. Brother, what are you gonna spend it on?
I'm gonna spend it on mystery keys and I'm gonna save all my money?
Well, that's perfectly acceptable, brother. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go back to Robux now. I'm in fucking Murder Mystery 2, guys. Yeah, see you there. Alright, guys, so now that we're Murder Mystery 2. Yeah, brother, are you gonna spend all your mystery keys?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some knives, and I'm also gonna save the rest of my money for later on.
Yeah, guys. Well, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I hope you also watched the past tutorials we made and all the giveaways, even though you haven't won them. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And don't worry, we'll be doing way more tutorials in the future, guys. So yeah, that's it for the video. And watch more of our videos.
Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again, and yeah, this is our first video, guys, and I'm so excited because, you guys always want to see some good videos, so
yeah, guys, I'm hearing my brother say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and today we are gonna be exploring the club in Roblox.
Guys, yeah, so as you can see, guys, my skin color is actually yellow, as you can see. Look, my skin's actually yellow, but I want to blend in with this Christmas tree. Whoa, guys, fuck. Yeah, guys, but basically how you do this, guys. Whoa, guys, yeah, guys. Hey, guys, so, brother, did you go down the water slide?
Yeah, oh no, I landed in the water. Oh no.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna go down. Whoa! This is totally radical, guys!
Yep.
Whoa! Holy shit, that was good! And yeah, that's all for the video, guys. And make sure to watch more of our videos!
Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.